What if I told you that in 2025, a tablet might actually replace your laptop? And not in a cute marketing slogan kind of way, but for real? Well, Apple's new iPad M5 Pro is shaping up to be exactly that, a sleek slab of metal and glass that can handle everything from editing 8,000 video to running console-level games, and still have battery left for Netflix at night. Stick with me till the end, because we're diving deep into every upgrade. From the insane M5 chip to the kind of accessories that make even MacBooks jealous. Plus, I'll tell you whether this beast is really worth your money. Apple is rumored to be giving the iPad M5 Pro a serious glow. It's expected to be thinner than ever, but still durable thanks to aerospace-grade aluminum and reinforced glass. Basically the kind of thing you could imagine in a sci-fi movie, or at least on the desk of someone who insists on calling coffee espresso. The bezels could shrink to nearly edge-to-edge, making the display more immersive without making it impossible to hold. And color-wise, Apple might spice things up with a deeper graphite tone and a silver-blue finish alongside the classic space gray and silver, giving it that extra touch of personality. But the real showstopper is what's inside the new M5 chip. This isn't just an incremental update from the M4, it's a major leap forward. Expect massive boosts in CPU and GPU power, plus a beefed-up neural engine for advanced AI tasks like instant language translation, background removal in photos, and smarter multitasking. Whether you're editing high-resolution footage, working in 3D design apps, or rendering complex audio projects, this chip is built to handle it without even breaking a sweat. And thanks to better efficiency, you can expect longer battery life even with all this power, of course. A performance monster needs a screen to match, and Apple seems ready to deliver with an upgraded OLED display. Think deeper blacks, brighter highlights, richer colors, and better outdoor visibility. Promotion's silky 120Hz refresh rate is still here. But we might see a new adaptive promotion plus that can drop as low as 1 Hz to save battery when the action on screen doesn't need speed. For creatives, HDR content will look better than ever and for everyone else. It means your YouTube binge sessions will look ridiculously good. Accessories are also getting smarter. The rumored Apple Pencil 3 might feature improved pressure sensitivity, haptic feedback, and even a built-in mini camera for AR scanning. The Magic Keyboard could see a redesign with a larger trackpad, lighter materials, and a function key row. For quicker controls, these aren't gimmicks. They're upgrades that make the iPad feel like a true laptop replacement. On the connectivity front, Wi-Fi 7 is expected for blazing fast speeds, improved 5G for better coverage worldwide, and possibly a second Thunderbolt USB-C port for connecting external monitors, SSDs, and professional audio gear. Storage could start at 256 gigabytes and go all the way up to a jaw-dropping 4 terabytes, which is perfect if you're the type who keeps just-in-case files from 5 years ago. Now, here's where the M5 Pro flexes in real-world use. Video editors can work with 8K footage in LumaFusion without dropped frames. 3D artists can sculpt in Nomad without lag, and architects can handle massive CAD files like they're nothing. With iPadOS 18, Siri 2.0 becomes more than just a voice assistant. It can organize projects, to auto-sort files, and help manage workflows. It's making it feel more like a personal assistant that doesn't need coffee breaks. Gamers aren't left out, either with Metal for support. Console-quality games like Resident Evil Village and Assassin's Creed Mirage can run smoothly at high frame rates. Add in a 6-speaker spatial audio system, HDR 10+, and Dolby Vision, and you've got a portable cinema that also happens to be a gaming rig. Despite all this power, battery life remains impressive, about 10 hours for heavy workloads and up to 14 for light use. And thanks to fast charging, you can go from 0 to 50% in under 30 minutes. With rumors pointing to MagSafe wireless charging making its first appearance on an iPad, so is the iPad M5 Pro worth it? If you're an artist, a designer, a student, in a creative field, a professional who works on the go, or even a gamer who wants power in a portable package, the answer is shaping up to be yes. This isn't just a minor refresh, it's Apple drawing a line in the sand, saying that a tablet can truly replace a laptop for most people. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss my breakdowns of Apple's latest tech. And before you go, check out the 2 videos on your screen right now, one revealing the secrets of the M5 chip's performance, and another comparing the iPad M5 Pro to its biggest competitors. Trust me, you don't want to miss them.